This is Roshni Adhikari Pathak from Nepal, and most of us, we met in our last Regional Conservation Forum in Bangkok. I'm very fortunate to meet you again here. Respected Chair, Vice Chair, and our General Secretary of the ARMC, and our Regional Director, Mr. Tinto Kampelan, and delegates and friends from Asia region and across the world. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you as your candidate for the Asian Regional Councillor for South and East Asia. I represent Nepal, a land of diverse cultures and communities. More than 25 years ago, in the plains of southern Nepal, known as Lumbini, a young Siddhartha Gautam, who would later become the Buddha, found a Saras crane, the tallest Asian flying bird, struck by an arrow. He removed the arrow, cared for the bird, and saved its life. That simple act became more than an expression of compassion. It symbolized the beginning of a philosophy. Every form of life deserves respect, care, and protection. Buddha's principles of ahimsa, non-violence, and karuna, compassion, have guided our region ever since. Long before the word conservation existed, our ancestors lived by its ethos. Through 12 years of collective and continuous effort, Nepal has not only protected these birds, but also doubled their population. This shows that when people and communities come together, conservation is not just possible, it's powerful. Despite all the challenges, Nepal has achieved conservation successes that inspire the world. We have virtually ended rhino poaching and tripled our tiger population. Our snow leopard population is now around 400. Once on the brink, our forests have been restored, and today more than 45% of our land is covered by forest. We have also safeguarded the elusive red panda and pangolins, revived vultures from near extinction, and continue to protect other species that quietly sustain our ecosystems. Nepal has become a model of conservation success, rooted in our culture, guided by our traditions, and strengthened by our harmony of modern science and indigenous knowledge. From the peak of the mountain, Mount Everest, to the fertile Tarai plains. Here, best practices can be shared, exchanged, and learned, making Nepal a true lifelong learning center for conservation. Mountain carries a profound responsibility. Their snow and rivers sustain millions of lives downstreams and eventually flow into saltwater ecosystems among the richest on earth. Following in the footsteps of our conservation hero, late Dr. Jane Goodall, I too stand here with hope. Hope restored by nature and kept alive by our communities. As your regional councillor, I'll turn this hope into action through championing the integration of indigenous wisdom with modern science, placing communities at the heart of solutions, and ensuring policies uphold both biodiversity and human dignity. I deeply committed to safeguarding our planet and shaping a more sustainable future. Therefore, I humbly request for your vote to become your regional councillor of our region. Not only to represent Nepal, but to carry the shared aspirations of our diverse nations into the Asian Council. Together, let us continue this timeless story of people and nature, compassion and resilience, heritage and innovation. Let us create a future where both people and nature thrive in harmony. Thank you. Namaste.